What is up everyone, my name is Abhimanyu and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about professional mobile photography tips. Well, this is part 3 of the series. I'll link the first 2 parts up here and in the description below. Let's get started. Well, the first tip is expose for highlights. What I mean by that is whenever you're taking any shot and you have bright subject in your photo, always set your exposure for that bright subject. For that, what you can do is just tap on it and adjust the exposure. Well, obviously you'll end up getting pretty dark shadows, but it is easier to retrieve details from darker shadows than in case of blown out highlights. Well, for retrieving the details from shadows, you can use any app and adjust the shadow meter. The next technique is reflections. Well, reflections serve as an amazing technique to make your shots more interesting. For reflections, what you can do is you can find a puddle of water near the subject and use it as a reflecting surface. In case you can't find it, you can create one yourself by pouring some water on the ground. In case that is also not possible, you can use a mirror, or you can also use a second phone and bring it close to the lens of the first phone with which you are taking the photo and get those amazing creative shots. Well, in case you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it serves as an excellent motivation factor for me for creating more such videos. Now back to the tutorial. Well, the next technique is using different photography modes provided to you. Well, what I mean by that is a lot of people stick to normal auto mode and get pretty decent photos. But if you want to up your mobile photography game, use specific mode for specific purpose. Well, usually the names of these modes will vary from brand to brand, but they are burst mode, night mode, pro mode or manual mode, and portrait mode. Well, burst mode is useful if you're taking shots of a subject which is moving pretty fast, like a bus or a human element. And in case of night mode is still somewhat auto mode, but it involves merging 2-3 photos in the software itself. Just do remember to keep your hand stable. The portrait mode is pretty good if you're taking portraits of humans or animals. I personally don't enjoy that effect that much. The final is Pro mode. Well, Pro mode is really powerful and it will help you in getting amazing shots. Here are a few examples in which I've used these different modes. The next technique is adding or removing elements from your frame. What I mean by that is, since our aim is to showcase a feeling or a story using a photo, it is always advised to remove distracting elements and add important elements that are enhancing the mood of the shot. For example, these random objects are adding no value to this frame and are somewhat distracting. In case of adding something to the frame, what you can do is you can use those elements in the foreground for creating depth, or you can use them as secondary subject for bringing the audience's focus on the primary subject. That's it all for today. I hope you found this video useful. You can check out other tutorials up here, and don't forget to like, share and subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in a few days with another amazing tutorial. Till then, stay home, stay safe, bye.